Hello everybody, it's me, Program Career 17, and today we're going to be looking at the AMC A math competition. Okay, who hosts AMCA? AMCA is hosted by MAA, also known as Mathematical Association of America. Their website is maa.org. Competitions are hosted by MAA are AMCA, which is a middle school level competition, AMC 10-12, which is a high school level competition, AIME, which is an invitational competition for high scoring participants in AMC 10-12, USA AMO and USA JMO, which are invitational competitions for high scoring participants in AIME, and the Putnam competition, which is an annual competition for undergraduate college students in USA and Canada. Okay, for AMCA, who is eligible to participate? Students who are in 8th grade or below and anyone under the age of 14.5 years on the day of the competition can participate. Who can host a competition? Students cannot individually participate in the competition. They have to be part of a school, university, learning center, or math circle. Okay, now we're going to look at important dates. The early bird registration deadline is October 31st, 2021. The regular registration deadline is December 5th, 2021. The last day to register and order bundle is December 10th, 2021. And the practice competitions open December 21st, 2021. And the competition day is on January 18th to 24th, 2022. Okay, so now we're going to look at the format of AMC 8. They have 25 questions, you get 40 minutes, and all the questions are multiple choice. And the topics covered in this test is typical middle school mathematics curriculum, and for more information and practice problems, visit maa.org. Okay, now we're going to look at AMC 8 Year 2020 question paper, and we're going to be looking at the first 5 questions of that question paper. So now let's go to that. Let's look at the first question. Luca is making lemonade to sell at a school fundraiser. His recipe requires 4 times as much water as sugar and twice as much sugar as lemon juice. He uses 3 cups of lemon juice. How much water does he need? So, we have to work on this question backwards. So they said that lemon juice is equal to 3 cups. And then they say the sugar is twice as the amount of lemon juice. So you do 3 times 2, which is 6. So that is equal to the sugar. And then they say it's 4 times as much as sugar for the water. So you do 6 times 4, which is 24. And that equals the water. So 24 would be our answer. So the answer is E24. Okay, so now let's look at the next question. 4 friends do yard work for their neighbors over the weekend, earning $15, $20, $25, and $40 respectively. They decide to split their earnings equally among themselves. In total, how much will the friend who earned $40 give to the others? And what the first thing you want to do is you want to find the average because they're splitting it equally. So that would be 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 40, and that totally equals 100 because it's 25 plus 15 would be also 40, and 40 plus 40 is 80, and 80 plus 20 is 100. And then you would do 100 divided by 4, and that would be 25. So each person gets $25. And the kid that got $40, how much would he give to each other? To the other people. So what you would do for that is he earned $40 and he will only get $25. So you subtract both of them and you will get 15. And 15 is your answer. So your answer is C, 15. Carrie has a rectangular garden that measures 6 feet by 8 feet. She plants the entire garden with strawberry plants. Carrie is able to plant 4 strawberries per square foot, and she harvests an average of 10 strawberries per plant. How many strawberries can she expect to harvest? So the first thing we would do is we would do 6 times 8, which would be 48. So that would be all the square feet in her rectangle garden. And then she says she can plant 4 strawberries per square foot. So we do 48 times 4, which would be 192. And then she says she's going to get an average of 10 strawberries per plant. So we do 192 times 10. And 192 times 10 is 1,920. So our answer is D. Okay, so now let's look at the next question. 3 hexagons of increasing size are shown below. Suppose the dot pattern continues so that each successive hexagon contains one more band of dots. How many dots are in the next hexagon? So in the first one, there are only 1, and in the next one, there is 1 plus 6 gray. So it would be 1 plus 6. Also, you can say that as 1 plus one group of 6. The second one, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So there's 1 plus 6 plus 12. And you can say the 12 as 2 groups of 6. So in this fourth and final one, it'll be 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 3 groups of 6, which is also 18. And if you add all these up, you get 37. So your answer is B, 37. Okay, now we're going to be looking at the final question in this video. 3/4 of a pitcher is filled with pineapple juice. The pitcher is emptied by pouring an equal amount of juice into 5 cups. What percent of the total capacity of the pitcher did each cup receive? So 3/4 written as a fraction is like that, and if you make that into a decimal, it is 0.75. And if you make this decimal into a percentage, like they ask, we have to put, it would be 75%. And it says that it is emptied by getting poured into 5 cups. So we do 75% divided by 5. And you would get 15% per cup. And they're asking how much did each cup receive, which is 15. And we just figured that out. So our answer for the final question would be 15.